topic of the reasoning, and this reasoning topic is important for competitive exams and school students. Those are studying on CBSE and ICSE board. In CBSE and ICSE board, class 1 to 8, this reasoning portions is there included of GK. So first, this is the topic. First is if equal to 5 and total equal to 12. First maths I solve. So condition is there equal to 5. Equal to 5 means what? This is called as forward place value. A to Z, there are total 26 letters are there. So A to Z, A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, this is called a forward place value. Okay. So E equal to 5 means this topic, this condition is there in forward place value. So total equal to 12. So how total equal to 12? Suppose we identify this total letter value. Okay. First H, then O, then T, then E, then L. H means what? H, this forward place value of H is this called as 8. Forward place value O is 15. Forward place value T is 20. Forward place value E is 5. And forward place value of L is 12. So addition of all this come to the 60. Okay. And from 60 how to 12 is come. So total number of letters, how many number of letters are there? First is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 letters are there. So 60 divided by 5. So total number of this 12 is come. So what we identify? We find out this lamb, the value of lamb. So if equal to 5, what equal to 12, so lamb equals to what? So identify value of first put up the value of lamb. L, A, M, B. So L equal to 12, A equal to 1, M equal to 13, B equal to 2. So addition of this come to 28. So total number of letters, how many number of letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters are there. So 28 divided by 4. So come to the 7. So value of lamb, this value is 7. Okay. Okay, next sum C. If Delhi equal to JJOII. Condition is there. Delhi equal to JJOII. This condition is there. So how can we calculate this? This is some different method. Suppose I write the Delhi. First I write the Delhi. In Delhi there are total 5 letters are there. In Delhi 5 letters are there. First what I do? First interchange the letter. Interchange letter means what? So Delhi this what letter is there. First come to I, then H, then L, then E, then D. Then put the place value. What are the place value are there? So I equal to 9, H equal to 8, L equal to 12, equal to 5, B equal to 4. Then put up this consecutive natural number. Consecutive natural number means what? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 consecutive natural number has put. Okay. Then what we do? Then put the addition. Addition means what? Suppose 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 12 plus 3, 15. 8 plus 2, 10. And 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, 10, 15, 9, 9. So 10 is the place value of J. 10 is the place value of J, 15 is the place value of what? O, 9 is the place value of I, 9 is the place value of I. So this is the process. Okay. So first, next week, what we do? We identify this value of Belur. Okay. What is the value of Belur? We identify this. So first we write the Belur. Then what we do? We interchange our place. Okay. We interchange the letter place. Interchange place means first R come, then U, then L, then E, then B. Okay, these letters come, then we put the place value. Okay, for talking about the place value, first R means what? R means 18, U is 21, L is 12, E is 5, and B is 2. Okay, then put what? Consecutive natural number. Consecutive natural number means what? First 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. There are 5 letters are there, so we need to find first 5 consecutive natural number. Then we added what? First we added the 5 plus 2 means what? 7 come. 4 plus 5 how much come? This 9 come. The 12 plus 3 how much come? This 15 has come. 21 plus 2 how much come? 23 come. This 18 plus 1 come? 19 come. Okay. So 19, this comes to the value of 19, 23, 15, 9, 7. Okay. This type of all type of place values are there. For talking about this 19, 19 means what? 19 is called talking about this S. Okay. The place value of forward place value of 19 is called S. The forward place value of 23 is called as W. The forward place value of 15 is called as what? O. The forward place value of 9 is called as I. The forward place value of 7 is called as G. So value equal to is WOIG. This is the answer. Okay. So next I solve this. Okay. Next number 3. Number 3 is what? Like if Joya equal to 73. Joya is there. So put the value of J. First write J, then A, then Y, then again A. Okay. So first what we do? We put the value. Okay. So forward place of J is 10. Forward place of A is what? 1. Forward place of Y is what? 25. And forward place of A is 1. So add up all this plus 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 7 is there. And this what come? 2 plus 1 this 3. 37. But this condition is there 73. How this come? Some just interchange their position. 7 is come there, 3 is come there. Okay. 7 and 3. Just put 37 and reverse this 37 is 73. Okay. So similarly, GOLU. We find out the GOLU. How can we GOLU this value put? GOLU. So first we put the value of first G. The place value of forward place value of G is 7. The forward place value of O is 15. The forward place value of L is 12. And forward place value U is 21. So addition all of this. 1 plus 2 how much come? 1 plus 2 this 3. 3 plus 5 8. Okay. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 this 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 3. 3 4 5. 55. So in this whatever we calculate this Joya, the same calculation we put out this GOLU. Okay. This interchange position 55. Both sides is 5 come. 5 is there, 5 is there. So it has been no change. 55. The same value. Okay. So GOLU, the value of GOLU is 55. So next mathematical portion. Next is if bags is 80. The value of bags. The value of bags is 80. Okay. So in this particular portion, we just put out this forward place value. Okay. A to Z, there are total 26 letters are there, and we put the value. So first B, the value of B, this is 2. The value of A, this is 1. The value of G, this is 7. The value of S, this is 19. Okay. So total place value we put, then we addition this on place value. So first 9 plus 7 how much come? 9 plus 7 this is 16 come. 16 plus 1 16 plus 1 17. 17 plus 2 how much come? 19. 19 9. Then 1 is carry. So 1 plus 1 2 2. So 29. So from 29 how this 18 come? So it has also calculation. Okay. Inner calculation. Inner calculation means how can from 29 how can this 18 come? So it has the mathematical calculation as there. Suppose 2 into 9. 2 into 9. So put to 18. So next is fish. The find the value of fish. First put the letter FISH. Okay. FISH. Fish. This what is there? So first we find out this. Put the value of F. The value of F is what? 6. The forward place value F is 6. The forward place value I is 9. The forward place value S is 19. The forward place value H is 8. Okay. 6, 9, 19 and 8. So addition all of this. So how much come this? So first 8. 8 plus 9 plus 9 how much come? 9 to the 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 24. And 24 plus 8 how much come? This 32. 2 is there. Carries 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 1 4. 42 to come. So into this 2 point, like 42 means 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means 8. So the value of fish is 8. Understand? So this is the basic mathematical portion of reasoning, and this type of questions are very important for upcoming all type of competitive exams like state and central level. And this is important for the CBSE and ICSE board students. Your syllabus also this type of mathematical portion is there. Okay, so you have to read, and my contact number is there. And if you have any doubt, you can call me, and you can tell me your doubt. And this is my WhatsApp number. You can send me the WhatsApp whatever you have doubt. Okay, whatever questions you have doubt in mathematics and reasoning, and so you can send me my WhatsApp also. Okay.